Hey everyone, I'm Alex, the thoughtful rider, and today we're out on the road. We're gonna go through the mountains. It's gonna be just absolutely beautiful. It's a lovely day, it's sunny, and I'm here with my cherry red bike and my lovely passenger Anna.
Hey guys.
This is my awesome face, and we're drinking some coffee because we are just a little bit sleepy. Some iced coffee, I think. Yeah. So we're gonna sit here for a couple of minutes more and then we're gonna get going. Unfortunately, the road we're gonna take has lorries on it. Look, and we're gonna have to overtake them, so that's not gonna be fun. And another one. Yeah. There are two little doggies playing over there. I don't know if you can see them. Oh, and their mommy is over there as well. That's cute. I'm completely digressing here. So yeah, see you on the road, guys. And one more thing, actually, I'm not gonna talk on the road because it's probably gonna be noisy because of the wind. We're gonna have uh, more speed than I usually have in the city, so the sound is not gonna be usable. So I'm gonna put some nice music for you guys, but other than that, just enjoy the beautiful landscape. So yeah, see you on the road.
sense of experience.